Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at a frame, and it's called the Geprc Mark2. Now I already have another one of these, however this one is the 7-inch. I believe it comes in a 5, 6, and a 7. Now I have the 6 and the 7. This guy is the 7-inch. Now why the hell did I pick up another one? It's because its flight characteristics were insanely beautiful. And I do have a bunch of low kV motors, and I really want to do a bunch of low kV builds soon on the channel. So this is why I picked this one up. I didn't really want to try anything new. I have the diatone 7-inch, but that has very flexible arms. However, this one, for 7-inch arms, this is pretty damn good. I can tell you that right now. It puts a smile on my face. The packaging was gorgeous. The things they give you here before we go into the specs, they give you these for your antennas, so you can protect your antenna. They give you 3 battery straps. They give you normal 2 battery straps and 1 for your GoPro. Now, why would you need this? They give you 2 camera side plates. So actually, you could either use the current one like this or this one, which will portray out. And sorry, it would be like this. No, wait, how would it be? I forgot actually. Yeah, it would be like this inside. And then you could put your GoPro here. It does have everything you need there. So you could set your GoPro if you don't have some kind of a GoPro mount, which is very nice. They also give you a PDB and a bunch of stickers, a landing skid, and the anti-slip rubber thing, because this is a top mount battery frame. So it is a 300mm wheelbase quadcopter, and it takes up to 7-inch props. So yeah, and it's pretty damn sturdy. Everything on this is 4mm, other than the top plate is 2, bottom plate is 2, camera plates is 2mm, and there's this little extra front bumper plate here, which is 1.5mm, which is basically, this gives you 3.5mm in the front, so it should overall add durability and strength to the frame for crashes. Now the camera is somewhat protected in a way. If you take a look at the 6-inch version here, you might see the ESC missing. This is the Tico ESC that I use for testing, and I will be redoing this guy with different motors. So this is the 6-inch. It's the same exact thing. Look at the amount of space you have. And I went ahead and used this camera plates because I put these on. These protect my GoPro. Ever since I purchased these, I've never broken my GoPro in many crashes, and it's a lot easier to find. So overall, you know, this frame, from my personal experience, the 6-inch at least, had beautiful characteristics, and I believe this one will also. So overall, it's very nice. It has a lot of mounting solutions. It is a top mount battery. They even give you the rubber gaskets for the VTX here, so you don't have it hitting the frame. Sometimes it causes noise, so they even provide that for you. I mean, if you take a look here, this is all the extra stuff I'm left with. You get these would be used for the other camera plate there. They also give you some kind of rubber. They're not really rubber, but yeah, I thought they were rubber gaskets, but this one here is for the VTX. You would put it in there. It's a pain to put these in, but it's really recommended to put these in. I always put them in whenever I get a chance to. So yeah, they also give you a PDB, like I mentioned, just a basic PDB, nothing too special. And overall, you know, this is worth every single penny, from the packagings, from the cuts, for just, you know, the overall carbon rigidity, strength, and as you can tell, they cut the carbon correctly. Look at that, it's just beautiful. It's, you know, Geprc is well known to do some crazy good stuff for a pretty good price. So I was not, I knew I wasn't going to be disappointed when I picked this up. And as you can tell here, it's a beast. They are just absolute beasts here. And yeah, well, that's it, guys. So that's going to conclude it for this video. Let's get its weight real quick before we end this video. And I have a bunch of motor testing coming. We're going to be doing real world testing. And we're going to be testing the Brother Hobby R6, the new F40 Pros and F60 Pros. So this weighs 135 grams. Yeah, 135 grams. So this weighs 135 grams for a 7-inch, which is still very good. I'm really impressed with that weight. So that's a very nice little boy right here. This guy's gonna be a beast. And overall, that's really it. I mean, it has a lot of space inside to fit many things. As you can tell, I just used the 2-stack. I actually forgot what I used here. I used the what is this in here? Yeah, a Kakute, I think V1 all-in-one flight controller, if I believe correctly, and Tico 32 ESCs, and the AT Lateral VTX right there, which I routed through there. And I use these little things they gave me for the antennas of my receiver, so I don't cut those off, because I do have a very bad habit of doing that. Camera protection is somewhat minimal. I mean, kind of ish. So yeah, if you have it tilted all the way up, you kind of do get some kind of camera protection. And yeah, you just have a lot of space to work inside with. And the camera mounting solution is pretty awesome there. However, you need a little bit longer screws since the camera side plates are 2mm, so take that into consideration. And this anti-slip battery sticker thingy is awesome. It works very good. And that's really it. This one took pretty good beating here. As you can tell, I'm missing a screw. I don't know what happened. We didn't tighten it. And overall, this is a very good frame. It has awesome characteristics. It's not all weird and twitchy and stuff. So I really do recommend this frame if you're looking for a nice, pretty, good frame actually. This one is a very nice one. So this is the 7-inch. I might get the 5-inch. I don't know yet. But yeah, I just wanted the 7-inch before they went out of stock because they're just gorgeous. So yeah, and each arm is held with 3 screws. One here, one there, and one there. Let me just take a look here, as you can tell right there. And this little pink thing is acting as a nut. It's aluminum piece. It's actually very good aluminum. This is what I love about Geprc. It's very good aluminum because it didn't strip no matter how tight I try to tighten it. I actually started getting blisters. So that says a lot right there. That says so much to me. They've always used the best aluminum, unlike other companies that I've seen. So I really like that, and it's a huge plus, really. And you could also shed some extra weight if you just use the aluminum standoffs, not the knurled ones. I think that's what they're called. You could shed a little bit of weight there. And well, that's it, guys. So that's gonna conclude it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and please consider joining my Patreon. I do a lot of giveaways. I have 3 to 4 giveaways this month, and your chances of winning are very high. And you could also use the affiliate links down below. Those greatly support the channel. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That really helps the channel. And we'll see you next time. See you guys. Take care.